welcomes you at Dhare Science Academy, Vidyanagar, Karad. Interactive audio-visual lecture series of physics, chemistry, maths and biology subject for 11 and 12 science students. If you like our lecture series, then please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Now we determine the number of particles and number of unit cells in x gram of metal crystal from equation 3, that is molar mass m is equal to rho into a cube into Na upon n, where m is the molar mass of substance, rho is the density, a cube is volume, Na is Avogadro's number and n are number of particles. From this equation, first we determine number of particles in x gram of metal crystal. We know that molar mass m is correspond to Na particles, that means Avogadro's number of particles. So we can write molar mass m is correspond to Na particles. That means Avogadro's number of particles. Therefore, x gram metal crystal is correspond to x into Na upon m particles. So from substituting the value of m in this equation, we get number of particles in x gram of metal crystal. Therefore, number of particles in x gram of metal crystal is equal to, substitute value of m in this equation, which is x into Na. Value of m is rho into a cube into Na upon n. It is equal to x into Na multiplied by, when it is multiplied, then it becomes n upon rho into a cube into n. Here Na are cancelled and equation becomes x into n divided by rho into a cube. It is equation 4, and this equation 4 gives us number of particles in x gram of metal crystal, where x is the value of metal crystal in gram, n are number of particles in unit cell, rho is density of unit cell and a cube is the volume of unit cell. Next we calculate the number of unit cells in x gram of metal crystal. So next is number of unit cells in x gram metal crystal. We know that n number of particles are correspond to 1 unit cell. म्हणजे n एवढे number of particles हे एका unit cell मध्ये असतात. So we can write n number of particles are correspond to 1 unit cell. म्हणजे 1 unit cell मध्ये n एवढे number of particles असतात. आता आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेले नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स किती आले, x into n upon rho into a cube. Therefore, xn upon rho into a cube particles are correspond to x into n upon rho into a cube multiplied by 1 upon n. Here n is cancelled, so it is equal to x upon rho into a cube. Therefore, we can say that number of unit cells in x gram of metal crystal are equal to x upon rho into a cube, where x is the mass of metal crystal in gram, rho is the density, and a cube is the volume of unit cell. Now from volume of unit cell, the number of unit cells can be determined. Number of unit cells in volume V are equal to V upon a cube. From these equations, we can determine the number of particles, number of unit cells in x gram of metal crystal.